Hi, and welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring unique modern houses in Argentina, Australia, and Spain. Glad to have supporters. Let's explore the Invisible House designed by Peter Stutchbury Architecture in Australia. Invisible House continues Stutchbury's lifelong appreciation and understanding of the delicate balance between the natural and man-made, between landscape and shelter. A tradition of designing buildings throughout interpreting all of the factors that accumulate to form a story of belonging to a particular place. In this instance, both are spectacular and rawly uniquely Australian, a daring temple of a house in an inescapably powerful, savage, and mesmerizing landscape holding little appeal to the faint-hearted. Dry, rocky, exposed to fierce winds and extremes of temperatures from -0 to 40+. This is a challenging, brutal, yet breathtaking, rewarding landscape testing man, beast, and structure in every way. Glorious eucalypts, snow gum, scribbly gum, brown beryl, ribbon gum, and candle bark gum predominate along with native understory species and grasses such as kangaroo and tussock grass and a variety of orchids. Kangaroos, wombats, and wallabies and a diverse range of bird life abound. Most impressively perched on a sinuous ridge, 1,170 meters above sea level, this private wedge-shaped block offers unparalleled, majestic, and wide-open views across the Megalong and Canimbla valleys. Panoramic, uninterrupted bush vistas, golden escarpments, and wild skies, and not a sign of human habitation as far as the eye can see. A unique, ever-changing, hypnotic landscape on display from sunrise to sunset. From the ridgeline, a concrete roof cantilevers dramatically east and west, two mild steel rooftop boxes, a light scoop to the north and Sleeping Eyrie to the south, evoke Australian bush life. Sidney Nolan and Ned Kelly, an anchoring singular 75-meter concrete blade wall to the west speaks of strength and protection from the harshest of weather. Beyond the roof, the most dramatic of panoramic views. Overall, a building neither dwarfed by nor in competition with the setting, simply belonging with a respect, authenticity, ease, and rawness in keeping with rural Australia. Meet Glass Pavilion designed by ofis.si in Spain. The Glass Pavilion is a research prototype for a comfortable, if elementary, retreat in a tense juxtaposition with harsh surrounding environment. The project, initiated by Guardian Glass, is challenging thermal and structural abilities of glass. Instead of focusing only in a glass as a window element, the concept explored its advanced potentials. In an example, transparent but shading element, a thin but thermally efficient envelope that is also the sole structural support. This project is a response to the local desert climate conditions. It's about both passive design and renewable energy generation. The building's footprint contains every element that makes life possible, from energy production to wastewater treatment, while maintaining a comfortable interior, only surrounded by a stunning, uninterrupted 360-degree view. The internal space is organized in three parts: bedroom, living area, and bathroom with sanitary core in the middle, with all of the spaces opening towards the porch, which is a covered and shaded external platform that's protected from the sun and wind. The unit uses the vertical glazing panels of the envelope as structural walls, resisting the desert's high-speed winds and supporting the timber-stressed skin roof and deck. The glass thermally efficient envelope is constructed of triple glazing walls that, due to use of almost invisible coatings, protects the interior from the sun. Let's visit Las Nubes house designed by Etéreo Arquitectos in Argentina. It's placed in the middle of the valley, being protected by the mountains with unique views. The night witnessed the immensity of the whole valley. This project was born by the dream of the homeowner of being a holiday house with an industrial style, a kind of mountainous barn. Solving the conceptual idea of designing an industrial-style house that looks like the old English barns outside as well as inside turned out to be the key in order to develop the project. Functionally, the house was designed in two lateral wings destined to the private area of bedrooms and connected to the main area of the house, that is, the social space. The house, which is arranged in parallel to the dam, enjoys the best panoramic views and the landscapes that the environment gives us away. The dining, living room, and kitchen, which is an integrated central area characterized by its structure and the entrance of the zenith light, makes this space unique and cozy. On the other hand, the galleries enable direct contact with nature as a link to enjoy the magic of the mountains. A barn was built with not only a non-traditional system, but also in a place with non-specialized manpower, what meant a double challenge for the studio. The huge windows, which were impossible to avoid because of the great views that the environment gives us away, forced to work with high-performance carpentry in order not to lose comfort. Las Nubes house is a project that breaks the guidelines of a traditional building of the place while respecting the environment. The project and the place speak for themselves. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to hear about our latest videos. Stay tuned.